Well, guys, yeah, as you can see that we are into major maintenance on my newly acquired 2012 John Cooper Works R58. So what we've done over the past couple of days is we've taken out the air intake so that we could get in underneath here at an angle and start cleaning out the valves with the walnut blast. Now, that took quite some time to do because they were so heavily corroded. So it actually took us, with rain that came in, actually took us about 2 to 2.5 days to get done. We completed it today. So next up that we're going to be doing is replacing the timing chain. It's worn, it's loose, and while we've got everything out, now is the perfect time to do it. As well as the reason that we took the air intake out, one was to have a better angle to do the walnut blast, but also because I'm going to be replacing that air intake, so it just made sense to kind of take it all out at the same time. So next up is the timing chain. But coming around, we've got, you probably can't see it because the sun is so bright, but there's an oil leak coming here from the turbo, and it's wet a couple other places, so we've got some maintenance on that. I'm just waiting for the parts to come out. Now you're probably saying, why didn't I do a video on the walnut blast? There are countless videos out there that can show you that. It's kind of hard to do because it's so loud. So these are just kind of showing you where we're at now in the process of it. So I've got upper body engine maintenance, and I've got underneath suspension maintenance with axles and things of that nature. Yeah. Gearhead life is not fun sometimes, but the rewards are. So we just start sticking to it. But anyway, that's where we're at today. And while I'm kind of walking you around on that part, kind of explaining what's going on, I'll show you. Those are my Alejandra seats. We've had them stored, so we've got to take them, and I'm doing some cleaning on them so I can get them installed. But yeah, that's where we're at right now. Time-consuming things, but in the long run it will pay off, and it will make it be so that it's safer to drive. So anyway, stay tuned, guys. Happy weekend.